You can still use older video cameras and older iPhones to make YouTube videos. Absolutely, you can still use older video cameras and older iPhones to make YouTube videos, and many creators do it successfully. Here's why it still works and how to get the best results. Why older cameras and iPhones still work for YouTube. 1. YouTube viewers care more about the message than the device. If your story, tips, or news are valuable, people will watch even if it's not 4K. 2. Older devices still shoot HD, 720p/1080p. That's more than enough for most viewers. Many big YouTubers started with old iPhones and cheap camcorders. 3. You already know how to use them. Comfort and speed matter more than having the newest gear. 4. It keeps your workflow simple. Older handycams or iPhones are often lightweight, easy to set up, great for quick daily content. How to get the best quality out of older cameras. Here are a few easy upgrades. 1. Good lighting. Even an old iPhone 5 or handycam looks amazing with a window light, a ring light, a desk lamp pointed at a wall for soft lighting. 2. Use a tripod. Shaky footage hurts viewer retention more than low resolution. 3. Clean your lens. Especially on old phones, fingerprints soften the image. 4. Edit to make it look better. Apps like Filmora, CapCut, Adobe Premiere for iPhone can sharpen, stabilize, or brighten older footage. Older iPhones that are still great for YouTube. Even these older phones can deliver solid videos. iPhone 5s/SE, 2016 1080p, great for static shots. iPhone 6/6s, improved dynamic range. iPhone 7/8, solid 1080p, good color. Older camcorders that still work well. Sony handycams are still great because they handle low light better than older phones. Zoom is smoother. Autofocus is reliable. Battery lasts longer. Many vloggers still use Sony HDR-CX series, Canon Vixia series. Final thought for you as a creator. Your channel is built around news, stories, advice for new creators, vintage cameras. So, using older cameras actually fits your brand perfectly. It shows beginners that they don't need expensive gear to start, just passion, consistency, and creativity.